Hello everyone. Coordinate geometry, class 10 Cbse mathematics. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Exercise 7.2 question number 1. Exercise 7.2 question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Question number 1. And here we are going to use the section formula. Section formula. X coordinate is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. And in this question, x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to -3. m1 is equal to ratio, first one, 2, m2 is equal to 3. Now substituting the values of m1, m2, x1, x2 in the section formula, we'll get the x value. And let P be the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Let P be Pxy, x, y be the required point. So x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Therefore x is equal to x coordinate of the point m1, that is 2, multiplied by x2, that is 4, plus m2, that is 3, multiplied by x1, that is -1, divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. And y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. When we substitute the values of m1, m2, y1, y2 in the equation, we are going to get 2 into -3 plus 3 into y1, that is 7, upon 2 plus 3. Therefore x is equal to 8 minus 3 upon 5 . and y is equal to minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. Y is equal to 15 by 5, that is equal to 3. Therefore, the required point is, therefore, the required point is what was the value of x? 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. 5 upon 5, that is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So the required point is 1 comma 3. The required point is 1 comma 3. That's the answer. Now question number 2, exercise 7.2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Trisection means it is divided into 3 equal parts. Trisection means divided into 3 equal parts. Bisection divided into 2 equal parts, and trisection means divided into 3 equal parts. Here AC is equal to CD is equal to DB. Trisection of AB, that means the required points be C and D. Let the points C and D divide AB into 3 equal parts. Into 3 equal parts. Therefore, AC is to CB is equal to 1 is to 2. AC is to CB is equal to 1 is to 2. Now we are going to find the coordinates of C. Let the coordinates of C be x comma y. And when I calculate the coordinates of C, M1 is equal to 1, M2 is equal to 2, X1 is equal to 4, Y1 is equal to minus 1, X2 is equal to minus 2, and Y2 is equal to minus 3. So X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2, and Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now let us substitute the values of M1, M2, X1, Y1, M2, X2, Y2, etc. In the equation we get m1. m1 is 1. 1 into minus 2. x2 is minus 2. Plus m2 is 2 multiplied by 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. Same way when we substitute the values of m1, m2, etc. in the section formula, we get 1 multiplied by y2, that is minus 3, plus m2, 2 into y1, that is minus 1, divided by 1 plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3, and y is equal to minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. So x is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2, and y is equal to minus 5 by 3. Now we have to find the coordinates of the point D. D is actually the midpoint of CD. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of CB or BC. Now for this, let us take the coordinates of D as x comma y. For the second part, let the coordinates of D be x comma y. D is the midpoint of CB. You can also find the coordinates of D by taking the ratio AD is to DB is equal to 2 is to 1. But it will be more easier if you take the midpoint of CB as D. So x coordinate is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. The coordinates of the midpoint is given by the formula, because m1 is to m2 will be 1 is to 1. So y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 is 2, 2 comma minus 5 by 3. The coordinates of C, 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So x1 is 2, y1 is minus 5 by 3. x2 is minus 2 and y2 is minus 3. So x is equal to x1, that is 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2. m1 plus m2 is 2 only, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 minus 5 by 3 plus minus 3 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 upon 2 is 0. Y is equal to, first of all I am going to take 3 as the common denominator of the numerator. Minus 5 minus 9 upon 3 again divided by 2, that is equal to minus 14 by 3, the denominator 2. 2 and 14 can be cancelled. So y equals to minus 7 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of the point D 0, the point D 0, minus 7 by 3, and the point D is 2, minus 5 by 3. Therefore, the required points are C, that is 2, minus 5 by 3, and D 0, minus 7 by 3. First of all, you should remember the meaning. Trisection means divided into 3 equal parts. AC is equal to CD is equal to DB. The required points are C 2, minus 5 by 3 and D 0, 7 by 3.